Assalamualaikum. In this video, I'm going to show you how can we test 555 timer IC using multimeter. So select your multimeter in 20K. So to test the IC, we have to put our probes on leg number 1 and leg number 8, that is ground and VCC. You see it is now showing 14.1k ohm resistance, so this is good. And this is another one, so this is leg number 1 and this is 8, and now it is showing 105 kilo ohm. So this is not good, this IC is damaged. And this is another one, so same way I'm trying here to check. This is showing 14.2 kilo ohm, so this IC is good as well. And this is my last one, and here is showing only 0.4 kilo ohm, so this IC is bad. So if we get around 14 kilo ohm resistance between leg number 1 and 8, I mean VCC and ground, then the IC is good. Otherwise, if the resistance is more low or much more high, then you have to understand that the IC became damaged. So this is the simplest way to check the 555 IC. I hope it is now easy to you to check your IC using multimeter. So this was all in the short video. I hope you like it. Take care. Allah Hafiz.